Are you looking for the best cordless pole saws of 2025? In this video, I'll be reviewing my top 5 picks that deliver great performance, durability, and value. Whether you're trimming branches in your backyard or tackling bigger projects, these cordless pole saws will make the job easier. Stick around to see which one suits your needs best. And don't forget, all product links are in the description box below, so you can check them out after the video. Number 5. Sevum Pole Saw 8-inch. The Sevum Pole Saw 8-inch cordless pole chainsaw is designed for homeowners and garden enthusiasts who need a reliable tool for trimming trees and maintaining their yard. With its thoughtful features, durable build, and cordless convenience, this pole saw offers both safety and efficiency for outdoor projects. One of the standout features is its adjustable extension pole, which ranges from 6 feet to 8.6 feet and can reach up to 15 feet when held. This design allows users to prune high branches without the need for ladders, making the task safer and easier. The saw is powered by a high-performance motor, which increases cutting efficiency by up to 120% compared to standard models, while maintaining cooler operation. Its aluminum alloy pole shell provides extra durability and resists scratches, ensuring a long-lasting tool. The 8-inch hardened chain ensures sharp, smooth, and precise cutting, capable of delivering up to 70 cuts on 4x4 wood per charge. With a chain speed of 19.6 feet per second, it trims branches quickly without the restrictions of a cord. An automatic oiling system keeps the chain lubricated, extending the lifespan of the tool, while the tool-free tensioning system makes chain adjustments quick and hassle-free. For versatility, the chainsaw head adjusts to 4 different angles: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees, allowing users to cut awkward or hard-to-reach branches with ease. Safety is also a priority, thanks to the dual safety system, which requires both the safety lock and trigger to be pressed before operation. Comfort has been well considered with an ergonomic strap and soft foam grip handle, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The saw is also suitable for both right and left-handed users. Each package includes a 20V 2.0Ah battery pack, fast charger, telescoping pole saw, extension tube, shoulder strap, and manual, along with an 18-month warranty for peace of mind. The Sevum pole saw is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain their trees and shrubs safely and efficiently, combining power, reach, and convenience in one practical tool. Number 4. Skill PWR 10-inch pole saw. The Skill PWR Core 40 brushless 40V 10-foot pole saw kit is designed for homeowners and professionals who want a lightweight yet powerful tool for trimming and cutting hard-to-reach branches. Packed with advanced features, it offers both performance and convenience in one cordless package. This kit includes a 10-inch pole saw, a PWR Core 42.5Ah lithium battery, and an auto PWR jump charger. One of the standout features is its telescoping shaft, which extends over 9 feet to reach high branches without needing a ladder. The angled head design also makes it easier to cut with precision and control. Built with a digital brushless motor, this pole saw delivers gas-like power but without the noise, fumes, or ongoing maintenance of a gas engine. The brushless motor ensures smooth operation and long-lasting performance, making it a reliable tool for regular yard work. The battery system is another major advantage. Skill's PWR Core 40 lithium-ion battery technology is engineered with an innovative cooling system that wraps each cell, allowing it to run 25% longer and last up to 2 times longer compared to standard lithium batteries. This means fewer interruptions during work and a longer overall battery life. The included auto PWR jump charger also minimizes downtime by delivering a quick boost when needed. Ease of use is enhanced with toolless chain tensioning. Instead of fumbling with tools, users can easily adjust the chain using a simple dial on the side of the saw, keeping the chain tight and cutting efficiently. As one of the lightest pole saws in its class, the Skill PS 4561C10 is designed for comfortable handling during extended use. Whether you're trimming backyard trees or tackling larger outdoor projects, this cordless pole saw combines power, durability, and user-friendly design to make the job faster and easier. Number 3. JeviLife 2-in-1 electric pole saw. The JeviLife 2 One electric pole saw is a versatile cordless tool designed for homeowners and gardeners who need an efficient, safe, and powerful solution for tree trimming and wood cutting. With its innovative design and user-friendly features, this tool combines two functions in one, transforming easily from a handheld mini chainsaw into a pole saw for extended reach. This pole saw includes a 6-inch brushless mini chainsaw and an extension pole. Users can switch between the two modes in seconds, making it perfect for both ground-level cutting and high-branch trimming. The flexibility saves time, effort, and reduces the need for multiple tools. For branches that are difficult to reach, the telescoping pole extends from 6 feet to 9 feet, offering up to 15 feet of overhead reach when held at shoulder level by an average adult. This eliminates the need to climb ladders, enhancing safety during operation. The JebiLife pole saw offers a 180 degrees adjustable cutting head, allowing users to trim branches from different angles with precision. This flexibility is especially useful for navigating awkward branch positions or dense tree canopies. Equipped with two 20V 4.0Ah batteries and a fast charger, this cordless pole saw provides up to 100 minutes of runtime. Built-in overload and temperature protection help extend battery life, making it reliable for longer outdoor tasks. Note: batteries are not compatible with DeWalt tools. A brushless motor powers the saw, offering 50% more output power and better heat dissipation compared to traditional brushed motors. Benefits include a longer lifespan, quieter operation, and reduced maintenance costs, ensuring smooth and efficient cutting. To extend the tool's durability, the chainsaw includes an automatic lubrication system. By filling the oil reservoir and pressing the transparent cap, the chain is kept lubricated during use. Adjustments are tool-free, thanks to a convenient tensioning knob for quick chain tightening. Chainsaw oil sold separately. JebiLife backs this pole saw with a 2-year warranty and dedicated customer support. Users can expect timely assistance and solutions within 24 hours for any product concerns. The JebiLife 2-in-1 electric pole saw and mini chainsaw is an excellent option for homeowners looking for a lightweight, versatile, and powerful tool. With its long reach, adjustable angles, extended battery life, and safety-focused design, it simplifies both small trimming jobs and challenging overhead cuts. Number 2. CZI PS602-in-1 electric pole saws. The CZI PS602-in-1 electric pole saw is designed to make tree trimming and yard maintenance safer, faster, and more convenient. Its versatile design allows it to function as both a handheld mini chainsaw and a pole saw, giving homeowners the flexibility to tackle different tasks without needing multiple tools. With a quick conversion, users can cut shrubs and low branches at ground level or extend the pole to prune hard-to-reach areas. One of the standout features is its extended reach. The adjustable pole allows users to trim branches up to 10 feet high while keeping their feet firmly on the ground, eliminating the risks that come with using ladders. This makes it ideal for maintaining tall trees and ensuring a tidy yard safely and efficiently. The saw also offers an adjustable cutting angle, making it easier to access awkward spots around fences, corners, or undergrowth. This ensures precise, clean cuts with less strain on the arms and back. Combined with its powerful brush motor, the CZI PS600 cuts smoothly through branches up to 6 inches thick, handling pruning and yard cleanup with ease. Power is never a concern thanks to the dual 21V 2000 mAh batteries included. Users can swap them out and continue working without downtime, making it suitable for larger yards or longer projects. An automatic oiling system keeps the chain lubricated for smoother cuts and longer tool life, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. Weighing only 3.4 pounds, the saw is lightweight and ergonomically balanced for comfort during extended use. Its cordless operation ensures quiet, clean performance without the fumes or hassle of gas-powered alternatives. Packaged in a gift-ready case with all necessary accessories, the CZI PS600 makes an excellent choice for homeowners, gardeners, or DIY enthusiasts looking for a practical and powerful tool. It combines safety, convenience, and efficiency into one compact solution for all-around yard maintenance. Number 1. DeWalt pole saw. And finally, The DeWalt 20V Max XR brushless cordless pole saw takes the top spot on our list. The DeWalt 20V Max XR brushless cordless pole saw is designed for professionals and homeowners who need a reliable, easy-to-use tool for trimming and pruning trees. Built with DeWalt's trusted engineering, this pole saw combines performance, durability, and convenience to make yard maintenance efficient and less labor-intensive. One of its standout features is the extension pole, which provides up to 15 feet of reach, allowing users to cut high branches without the need for ladders. The 8-inch low kickback bar and chain deliver smooth and precise cuts, while the metal bucking strip and tree hook ensure stability and make it easier to remove pruned branches after cutting. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, the DSPS 620B offers both power and runtime. When paired with a 4.0 Ah battery, sold separately, it can deliver up to 96 cuts per charge on 4x4 pressure-treated pine wood, making it a dependable tool for extended use. Since it's part of the DeWalt 20V Max system, it's compatible with a wide range of DeWalt batteries, offering flexibility for those who already own other tools in the lineup. Maintenance is simplified with the auto-oiling system, which keeps the chain properly lubricated to reduce wear and extend the tool's life. The Comfort Grip handle enhances user control and reduces fatigue, making it suitable for longer projects. Overall, the DeWalt DSPS 620B is a powerful, cordless solution for tree trimming and branch cutting. With its impressive reach, durable design, and brushless efficiency, it's an excellent choice for anyone who values performance and convenience in a pole saw.